guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the due day. I'm happy. I've been looking forward to this day. Today I'll be going to Nigeria.
It's Paul cleverly on the beat.
It's a surprise visit. I'm going to visit Bay. I'm going to visit my friends. Like, you don't know I'm coming. They all think I'm coming next week, but you know, see, they don't call me Fab for nothing. I'm full of surprises, you know. So I'm going to surprise them today, and I'll be landing tomorrow by God's grace. See, you know that sound you're hearing in the background is food. See, Grace is hungry. Grace wants to chop, and Grace wants to eat spaghetti. Not spaghetti, but spaghetti. Now I want to eat. So let me be serious now. I just want to put myself together. I'm already doing my laundry because I've had a lot of dirty clothes. I just need to put my apartment in order, clean up everywhere, and bounce. Let me show you guys what my apartment looks like at the moment. Here is the state of my apartment. We can't travel living this place like this. No, now we just can't leave this place like this. The whole place looks a mess, a big mess. I told you guys I'm ready to leave. You see, wait, let me on the light. It's like you don't even understand. Let me on the light. You see, she's ready. She just needs to clean up. Hey, well, food don't burn finish. My food don't burn. She just needs to clean everywhere, and that's it. Clean my apartment and get ready. I'll be leaving here by 1 p.m. So there's really not much time. I have like 3 hours on me to do everything. Even if I've been awake since 5:30, but I've had other emergencies come up that I had to attend to. But now it's time to fix everything here and get ready and bounce. Airport, but almost my load may be here, so I'm going to my terminal. And that is terminal 5. So on departure, that's departure, and terminal 5 is the terminal, so that's where I'm headed to now.
Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I'll go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it, I'm free and clear.
I'm exhausted, like I am tired. I just want to rest. This stress is just too much. I can't deal. I just can't handle the stress. Oh, thank God, everything went safely. So we're about to exit. We're about to leave Sweden to Addis Ababa. So see you in Addis Ababa.
This is an emergency exit seating criteria placed in the seat pockets on your side or in front of you.
የአደጋ ጊዜ መውጫ ምልክቶች የአደጋ ጊዜ መውጫ በሮችን ይጠቁማችኋል። አሁን ላፍታ ምልክቶች ያሉበትን ቦታ ለማግኘት ይሞክሩ። ምናልባትም ከጀርባው ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። በድንገተኛ አደጋ ጊዜ anniversary. Thank you.
Another end of the night, here I am by your side again. I couldn't hide what I've been keeping inside, so I tried to deny it again, and tonight feels different.
In Ethiopia, man, and we are finally in Ethiopia. I'm going to the next terminal to go to board. I have like 2 hours. Thank God. So actually, the flight from Sweden actually left like an hour late. So it's kind of good to my advantage because I don't have to wait 3 hours for the next flight. So I have to wait just 2 hours now. So it's okay. Oh, they've renovated. Okay, they've renovated their airport. Actually, this wasn't it was the last time I came. Let me show you guys. Renovated it before. Oh, it's all new. Even the entrance was new. I have that. Welcome to Ethiopia. Welcome to Ethiopia. These are baggages and luggages. Lots of baggages. International transfer. Ooh, a lot of people there. Nice. It's been I think they're really changed. There's a whole lot of people.
Summer has begun and we are fine. The sound of birds just woke us up. I love the way you smile.
I'm still at Ethiopia waiting. I don't know. I'm beginning to feel kind of headache, like cold, like my nose is getting blocked. No, it's not COVID, so don't worry. I think it's the dust. So I'm still waiting at Ethiopia. My flight goes at 9:20. So let's see. Like the energy and vibe I had initially, I don't know where the energy and the vibe went to, but don't worry, it's coming. Let me just fix this nose of a thing. I don't even know where it came from. I think it's from lack of not sleeping properly. I haven't slept properly since I left my house. Even before I left my house, I haven't slept properly, so don't worry, it will be fun. This surprise you're about to get everybody that are not expecting me. So yeah, that's a quick update. These are the amount of people going to Abuja.
Cuando te veo, deseo tu cuerpo, más que tu tiempo. Y como te digo, no quiero ser amigos. Bésame un ratito, un ratito. Quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito. Pasa la botella, estás aquí y no con ella. Sé que crees que yo soy bella, hoy soy tuya, aprovecha. Tócame de esa manera, me gusta cuando me celan. Sé que yo valgo la pena, ya olvídate de ella. Quiero estar contigo un poquito.
Arrived in Nigeria. I'm just praying. You know the immigration, they can do an until. So I'm just praying for God's intervention.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y Paraguayas.
I'm done with immigration, I'm done with custom, I'm done with everything. I was thinking they'll ask for bribe and everything as usual, but funny enough, they never asked for anything. Nigeria have really come a long way. I'm so proud of them. Oh my God, now I'm going to meet my people outside.
Guayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción.